Hello Windows Universe, in this video we will look at how to activate Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the subject, we will link an article in the description down below. There are a couple ways to do this. Recently, Windows has been linking a digital license to your Microsoft account. So in the setup process where you enter the Microsoft account credentials, your Windows should automatically update. If you do not have that or do not wish to link your Windows copy to your Microsoft account, then you would go into Settings, go to Update and Security, Activation. Then you would click on Activate Windows. Enter the product key and the activation process will begin. You can also activate Windows using a command prompt. Open a command prompt as an administrator. You would then type in this, or you can just copy and paste it. Right here where it says your Windows product key, you would enter in your Windows product key. After it is finished, you can go back to the activation screen and it will tell you the status of your Windows version. For more useful tips on how to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content to make your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.